Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday, guys. I hope everyone is having a very nice day, guys. If you still remember, last week I talked about this system. You can see at the moment I made something, which even if it's not that much, but it's better than nothing. You can see I made 1.5 here. It's $1.5. So my entries were around this area. I entered late. I did not enter here, even if the system showed me I should enter around this area. I did not enter, but later I did enter around this area, if you still remember. So now I was holding these trades up to here, and it shows me that the market might push to the upside. It means now I can just close my position. So the point for this is, guys, this system is way too powerful, and that's why I just make it $35. If you want to maybe improve your trading, if maybe you need something extra to improve your trading, let me know. The system is quite simple. It works on MT4 on your PC only. I mean, on your, because some people, they will be asking if maybe it works on the cell phone. So it's only for PC, guys. It's only for PC. So yeah, I just wanted to show you something that, yes, there's something that can also help you. If maybe you don't want to let's say maybe you don't want the signals, you can have something that you can plug to different maybe indices or even currency pairs. But this system is way too perfect on NASDAQ, US30s, and other indices. Simple as that. Only $35. And this price, guys, is only limited to only 10 people, because I can't just make all this powerful system way too cheap. There's some stuff that I share for free, more than 100 things that I've shared for free. For only 10 people, only $35. I think it's way much better. At least I helped someone if maybe they're going to join. Simple as that. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Get funded with Traders Central to kickstart your trading career and make the profit that you deserve, and you will get access to TradingView, my FX book, and many more, and enjoy Traders Central ecosystem and so much more on their marketplace. Link in my description. Check the link, then you will start to enjoy more of the funding. Thanks. Yeah, I'll just pause that and close. So what's really happening, guys, here on the market is the market, it seems like is trying to respect what we see, to respect what we have here. It seems like the market respecting this sort of a support area. Remember, even if it's respecting that, I don't really think the market is still going to push the lower side. The market maybe might reach this area maybe before we see another push, maybe something like that. So what I'm thinking something like this. But please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you missed my previous video, it's a good time for you to go check that video, because it's going to connect very nicely exactly with what you can see now. Let me see this. It's very bright. So at the moment we have, this is a 4-hour time frame, guys. This is a 4-hour time frame. At the moment we have some certain areas where we can call a support area. It's still valid. We have this sort of a resistant area there, and we have something here. So we have like options. We're going to take actions when the market reaches this area, or when the market is here, or when the market is here. But at the moment, already the market is here. So what we can do is we can have something like this, something like that. You see, we can have something like that and say, you know what, we can have a buy pending order. If the market is going to push, let's say if the market is going to push to the upside, it will find our order ready around this area. So if the market doesn't push up, it means we'll just wait for the market to reach this area and see if maybe that might respect that area, and we're still going to have something like this. So yeah, why this thing? Okay, so we might have something like this. If the market is going to respect this support area, then we're going to have some sort of a buy pending order around there. But let's say maybe the market is now getting weaker and weaker. It means if we break this area, as a support area, it's where we can say now it's time to do what? To sell off. So when you trade oil, I think you should understand certain things. Actually, when let's say oil, the gold, they don't really behave like other instruments or other markets, because once, let's say at the moment there is war, we see that the market is going up, but actually it's a bad thing, but the market is going up. Do you see that? Because they don't really work the same way as maybe a currency pairs or maybe indices. Let's say maybe if things are going very well on NASDAQ, we will see NASDAQ pushing up. If things are not going good, we will see the market going down. So it's vice versa on oil and other things like gold. So when oil, things are not really going well, let's say maybe there is limited supply, we will see the market pushing up. Why? Because there is so much demand and the price is going to go up. Simple as that. When there is war, like when there is like war, maybe let's say maybe pandemics, especially politics also, that they also push the market to the upside. Those things which are bad, they push oils, gold to the upside. So you should understand how they react. So when you see the market going lower, don't think maybe things are bad, especially on oil and gold. Just know that, oh, things are getting better and better. That's why you see oil pushing to the lower side. I hope you understand that, because not everything in the market, or if it's bullish, it means things are good. No. Sometimes you might think it's a bullish, but when we check the market, everything's just suffering. So actually, if you go on a dashboard, maybe on the market dashboard, you will see oil, maybe let's say it's 106, but the color, it will be red, showing that actually the market is bleeding, even if it's going to the what? To the upside. Simple as that. I hope you understand that. So I'm still looking to buy oil. I'm not looking at any sort of bearish momentum at the moment. I'm looking actually to buy around these areas or maybe around this area. If we're going to have a sell, let's wait for the market to break this support area. Then we can say the market might push the lower side. Simple as that. So let's move to the next one. I hope you already subscribed. If you find this information very, very useful. So it's raining, guys. I like it when it rains, but sometimes there will be some rain noise, but it's natural, guys. We can't run away from that. So now we are on US30. It's 4-hour time frame. What do we see? We can see that the market is still seriously respecting this bearish momentum. So this bearish momentum, which is telling us to do what? To sell only. To what? To sell only. Understand the trend, then you will just, it's going to be easy for you to just continue selling. You see, if maybe it's a buy trend, it's going to be easy for you to continue to do what? To buy. So at the moment we just floating or maybe just going along with the trend. At the moment the market is going low. We can see that as long as it's still respecting this area, it means the market is still going to the lower side. But it seems like the market is trying to push again closer to our resistance, where we think maybe the market is going to find a respect area. I mean, it might respect that area and push the lower side. But remember, I think it's next week or the other week. Fed interest rates is around the corner, so we will start to see the market reacting to that. Already the market did react to that because indices doesn't really like interest rates going up, so we might see the market trying to sell off, something like that. But what we see is we are still on that bearish momentum. I'm just hoping that Ukraine and Russia, maybe they find like common grounds, then they no longer fight, then we will see the market trying to recover very nicely. But also inflation, it's something that is still fighting with the market. But what we can do at the moment is let's just focus on the strategy and try to be disciplined. If you can survive this year, on trading side, if you can survive, not to blow, not to do anything wrong, I hope you are a great trader. This type of moves, if they not going to scare you off and you're not going to lose much on this, and you can survive this type of moves, to me you're going to be a very, very great trader. I think it's a very good time to learn the market, because these things, they come and go. So if maybe the war, maybe let's say in 2 months or whatever, then if it's done, maybe the inflation, I don't think the inflation is going to go anytime soon, even if they increase those interest rates. So it means we need to deal with that. And if you can survive that, maybe next year or the other year is going to be, you're going to understand this type of moves. They're not going to scare you off. You see, you're just going to understand what's really happening. And if you follow the rules, you can survive any time. Whatever happens, you're just going to survive anytime. So at the moment, we see that the market is trying to push up. So what can we do here? We just looking at this bearish momentum here, bearish line or resistance. If the market is going to break, let's say it is going to break that area, it means it's where we can say, you know what, maybe the market is trying to recover. We can have something like that, buy pending order around that area, and say maybe the market might find our order and push to the upside. Yes, it's possible the market might still push to the upside, even if we still some like this pressure. So as we don't know what might happen, it means anything can happen. But we don't enter here exactly on the line, wait for the market then to break out, maybe close above the line before we can say we buy. We can see here we had some fake breakouts, and those things make us to lose. So the best thing that you can do is to make sure the market closes above this area and start another candlestick there. But sometimes the market might come back and retest before it pushes to the upside. But your job is to make sure that you wait and see the bigger picture. Don't just jump on things, guys. There is almost like you can't miss all the opportunities. You can miss one, but at least it will save your account, because if you just want to jump on each and every opportunity, you're just inviting the losses from a distance. So I'm expecting the market to respect this area to push the lower side. We have this area here as a support, but I think if the market is going to come back, let's say the market is going to come back around this area, I'm expecting the market to break this area and push to the lower side. That's what I'm expecting. So I hope maybe this is enough for today on US30. So let's go straight on NASDAQ and see what's really happening. Please, what? Oh, I was surprised. I think the keyboard that I'm using here is just dead. I'm using a very small keyboard to control this thing. So what's really happening on NASDAQ is we are still on that bearish momentum. Everyone can see that. We can see that the market is like trying to push up, but the bearish is still very strong. And now we can see that around this area, people sold. I also sold, but it was a risk because the Russia and Ukraine were still on their talks for ceasefire talks, so that they can stop whatever that is going. Then it was like the market tried to push to the upside. So then now we can see that the market respected this area, and now we expect the market to push to the lower side. But for that to happen, it means if the market wants to push to the lower side, we're going to see the market breaking this area around 13,000. And if we break that, it's going to be another like serious record again on a sell-off side. So we might see the market break this area here, then pushing to the lower side, which is possible because the market has been pushing to the lower side. But don't expect the market to just push straight down. The market might still try to make something like this before we see another sell-off. Yes, the market might maybe try to come back, might respect this area maybe, and come back and and break this resistance and push to the upside. Anything is possible. I'm not taking any sides at the moment. So, but what I know is the market is on bearish. It means 80% of the time the market will do what? Will go down. the market will go down. As long as we don't break this area, it means the market is still under bearish momentum. Please guys, if you still want that system, it's only $35. $35 for your MT4 platform is going to give you some very nice signals. If you want to join the team, it's only $150. It's a lifetime payment. If you want monthly signals, it's only $20. Let me know. You can check on the description. You will find my contacts. Simple as that. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I hope we're going to have, no, I'm not hoping, we're going to have a very nice winning streak starting from today. But don't force the market. If there's no opportunity, wait. If there's no opportunity, wait. Don't force the market. There will always be some opportunities to take. If maybe today there's no opportunity, tomorrow you might find that you were just going to kill the market. But don't let the market eat your account before you see those opportunities. Simple as that. This is Kenzo. Don't forget to smash it. I mean the like button. Thank you.